The main problems we face when we need quick-turn PCB assembly. 1. Many manufacturers did not want to provide prototype electronics assembly services because the order amount are small. 2. The electronic assembly manufacturer could not order all the required components with same parameter. 3. They could not find the low-cost PCB assembly companies compared they assembly the prototype PCBs themselves. 4. The PCBA manufacturer did not profession enough, could not assembly their products with high quality. PCBfuture has rich experience producing prototype and low to mid-volume PCBs and have an experienced assembly team to ensure your PCB assembly quickly. Our turnkey PCB assembly lead times are the shortest in the industry, fastest we ship out the assembled PCBs to our customers in 3 days.